So Purple as a brand recently underwent a huge revamp on their entire mattress lineup. They pretty much shifted things around to offer 3 different collections of mattresses now, the Essential, Premium, and Luxe collections. And so today we're going to be seeing how the Premium collection compares to the Essential collection, and more specifically, how the Purple Restore compares to the original Purple mattress. Hey guys, I'm JD with the Slumber Yard, and over here at the Slumber Yard, we review all things online mattresses, so you don't have to buy one for yourself and figure out that you don't like it. You can just watch one of our videos and glean all the information that you need. So if you get anything out of this mattress comparison between these 2 Purple beds, like this video and subscribe to the channel for so much more. But in this video, we're gonna go over the policies that these 2 beds are backed by. Then we'll get into their similarities. Of course, we'll start diving into the differences between them. We'll talk about pricing near the end. And at the very end, I'll even try to sum things up with a nice final verdict for you. So stick around. Now, if you need any more information about these 2 Purple mattresses, maybe I missed something in this comparison, we should have a ton more helpful stuff linked down below in the description box. So feel free to check that out. But now let's compare the Restore to the original Purple.
At the Slumber Yard, you know we work real hard to find the right bed for you and save you money on it.
Okay, so right out of the gate, let's talk about the Purple policies. Let's talk about the policies that Purple as a brand provides for you, the consumer. And right up top, I do want to mention that Purple did send us these mattresses for free to review, so we could test them out over here extensively and, you know, tell you guys all about them. But if you decide to order one for yourself online, you should be getting the following policies, starting with completely free shipping. Now, most of the mattresses within the Essential and Premium collections from Purple will show up with standard bed-in-a-box shipping, and it's actually bed-in-a-bag shipping. And the whole unbagging process for a brand new Purple bed is super easy and shouldn't take you any time at all to complete. But once these beds are in your possession, you also get a 100-night trial period with both of them. So a little over 3 full months to test them out at home to see if they're going to be right for you. And if they're not for whatever reason, you can get completely free returns within that time frame. But if the opposite occurs and you find that you do want to keep the Restore or the original for the foreseeable future, they are both backed by 10-year warranties, which is pretty much the standard for the online space. If you need any more information about the policy specifics or just the liner details regarding all that stuff, check in the description box. We should have some stuff linked down there for you. One of the first major differences between the original Purple and the new Purple Restore is going to come down to construction. So the original Purple is an all foam bed by default. It doesn't use pocketed coils for support and is entirely comprised of various foam layers. So this naturally makes it most supportive for average people or petite sized builds. If you're a heavier person like myself, say in the range of 200 pounds and up, you probably do want to check out a hybrid mattress as opposed to an all foam one. You could get by on an all foam bed just fine, but a bed with pocketed coils is likely going to be the more supportive option for you long term. And that's where the Purple Restore comes in. This is a hybrid mattress by default, meaning it's going to be good for all body types, including much heavier people. Pocketed coils in a nutshell are just basically individually siloed springs, and they go a long way in providing a lot more long-term support and durability for those bigger body types. Now, above those different support layers, they actually use the same type of material on top for their primary comfort layers, which gives them a very similar type of mattress feel. They both feature something called the Gel Flex Grid, and that is a proprietary material to Purple. It's not like a foam at all, a more traditional type of mattress foam. It's actually more like a rubber. It's laid out in a grid format across the whole bed. It's really stretchy, responsive, and it somehow manages to feel soft and firm at once. This factor gives these 2 Purple mattresses a really unique feel. When you lay down on a Purple bed just like these 2, you almost feel weightless, kind of like you're floating on top of the bed rather than sinking into it. But then when you switch to your side, you will sink into that material, and it should provide you with a pretty nice amount of pressure relief. Now, because it is so unique, it is kind of a divisive mattress feel amongst certain types of sleepers. You either tend to love it or hate it, but from what we found over here at the Slumber Yard, usually people who come by the office to try out a Purple mattress tend to really enjoy it. You just have to really know what you're getting into with Purple. It is just designed for a more adventurous mattress buyer. If you want something that's a little bit more traditional, you know, you might want to look into something else. But another main difference between these 2 is going to come down to firmness level. The original Purple is only available in 1 firmness level, and it's right at a flat medium on our scale, so it should be a really accommodating option for all sleeper types, backside, stomach, and combination. Whereas the Restore is available in 2 different firmness levels. You got a soft and a firm option. We have their firm, and to us, we found it to be right around a proper medium firm on our scale, so really similar to the older Purple hybrid model in terms of firmness. And this option should work fine for all sleeper types, but it may be a little bit better and more supportive for primary back and stomach sleepers. If you're more of a side sleeper, I would definitely recommend that you check out the soft version of the Restore. But if you want a completely different type of firmness level and mattress from Purple, you know, they offer those 3 different collections of beds now that all have a ton of different beds to consider. Sitting right behind me is the Restore Premier mattress, which is basically the more souped up and enhanced version of the Restore. Offers a little bit more of that Purple grid on top for more comfort. And they have a super soft version of this bed that should be a great pressure relieving option for most side sleepers out there. Moving up from Purple Premier, you have their Rejuvenate mattresses, which are wow, really nice mattresses. I actually sleep on a bed that's really similar in terms of feel and construction to those, so I would really recommend them. We'll try to link all of the options from Purple down below in the description box for you to peruse. But now let's get into some fun facts that you gotta know about the Restore and the original. And the main one has to do with airflow. Since that GelFlex grid has little to no surface area and there's all these little pockets for air to travel and circulate through, these beds are gonna offer most hot sleepers a pretty nice amount of airflow when compared to other average beds. Now, it's not gonna make them active cooling options by any means. They're probably going to sleep temperature neutral on you, but they should offer a little bit of an airflow advantage if you are an especially hot sleeper. When you move around on a Purple mattress like these two, you kind of feel some of that air moving with you, which could help cool you down. If you do want to look into some active cooling options, we will try to link our best picks for hot sleepers down below in the description box over here at the Slumber Yard. We've tried out the best cooling beds within the online space, so check that review out. Should be linked down below in the description box. But getting back to the Restore and the original Purple, how much are you going to be shelling out for these options at the end of the day? Well, before I get into pricing, I do want to mention that it does tend to change pretty much all the time. So if what I say in this video is a little bit different as of when you're watching, check in the description to see what is most up to date. But as of when I'm recording this video, you can expect to pay right around the $1,300 range after discount for a queen size original Purple. And for the Purple Restore, since this is the more enhanced hybrid version of the original Purple mattress, you're naturally going to be paying a little bit more for this option. But as of when I'm recording this video, you can expect to pay right below the $2,300 mark for that queen size MSRP. Purple is an online brand, rarely likes to offer discounts, but they will occasionally around major holidays. So again, check in the description box. We should have whatever is most current and up to date linked down there for you. But that's pretty much going to sum it up for this comparison between the Restore and the original Purple. You know, either way you go here, you're getting a quality mattress. I just think that you need to be more of an adventurous buyer who's into a completely different style of mattress feel that's also really comfortable. But let's give you our whole team's final verdict on this subject. Over here at the Slumber Yard, we would say consider the original Purple if you want a quality all foam bed with a super unique feel that's right around a proper medium, and you want the slightly more affordable option after discount. And then check out the Purple Restore if you want the more supportive hybrid bed for heavier people that's available in 2 different firmness levels, and you don't mind spending up for a quality Purple mattress. You know, we think the new look of these premium collection Purple beds are quite nice, and you know, I think they're gonna be suitable for a lot of sleepers out there, but let us know your thoughts on this. Would you rather go with the Purple Restore or the tried and true original Purple? Write us down below in the comments and let us know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe to the Slumber Yard for so much more. We really appreciate any support that you want to show us on our channel. And you know, check down below in the description. We should have some helpful links and related content, and of course, any sorts of discounts to help save you the most amount of money possible within the online space. But that's pretty much going to do it for this one. Hopefully you're doing well out there. My name is JD, and like always, sleep right, sleep tight, and we'll see you next time.
Like and subscribe.